If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, you've probably heard about VidIQ. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into what this tool really offers for creators and whether it's worth your time and money. VidIQ is designed to help YouTube creators optimize their content and grow their audiences. Right off the bat, you'll notice the dashboard is pretty user-friendly, offering insights into keywords, trends, and analytics that can help you tailor your videos for maximum reach. One standout feature is the keyword research tool, which provides suggestions on tags and titles based on real-time data. This can be a game changer for anyone looking to boost their visibility. However, while the features are solid, there are moments where things feel a bit overwhelming, especially for new users. The wealth of information can be daunting, and it's not always clear how to best utilize all the tools. The audience is primarily aimed at content creators who are serious about growth. If you're just casually posting videos, the depth of analysis might feel excessive. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, VidIQ offers a comprehensive suite of analytics tools that can really help you understand your audience and refine your content strategy. The keyword suggestions are invaluable for SEO, and the video scorecard gives you a clear idea of how your videos stack up. On the flip side, some users have mentioned that the pricing can be a bit steep, especially if you're just starting out. Additionally, the interface can feel cluttered, which might frustrate those who prefer a more streamlined experience. There's also a learning curve, so if you're not willing to invest time in mastering the tool, you might not get the full benefits. In conclusion, VidIQ is a powerful tool for serious YouTube creators looking to grow their channels. If you're committed to understanding your audience and optimizing your content, it's definitely worth considering. However, if you're just starting or looking for something simpler, you might want to explore other options first.